You brush your teeth every single day, every morning. You never think twice about it. But have you ever wondered why humans started doing this in the first place? Why did ancient people feel the need to clean their teeth? The answer is surprising. And it all started thousands of years ago. Long before toothpaste, long before plastic toothbrushes, ancient humans were already taking care of their teeth. But why? What made them start? Here is the secret history of why humans started brushing their teeth. To understand why humans started brushing, you first need to understand what changed. For most of human history, our ancestors didn't need to brush their teeth. Hunter-gatherers ate wild meat, nuts, and fibrous plants. Their diets were low in sugar and high in rough, fibrous foods. These foods actually helped clean their teeth as they chewed. But then everything changed. Around 10,000 years ago, humans discovered agriculture. They started farming wheat, barley, and other grains. And this changed everything about their teeth. Grains are sticky. They get stuck in your teeth. And when grains are ground into flour and made into bread, they release sugars that feed harmful bacteria in your mouth. These bacteria produce acid, and acid eats away at tooth enamel. The result? Cavities, tooth decay, pain. Archaeologists have found that early farmers had much more tooth decay than hunter-gatherers. One study found that populations that ate domesticated wheat and barley had the highest rates of cavities. This was the birth of the dental crisis, and it forced ancient humans to find solutions. That's when they invented the first toothbrush. The first toothbrushes weren't made of plastic or nylon. They were made of twigs. They were called chew sticks, and they date back to at least 3500 BC. The ancient Babylonians and Egyptians were among the first to use them. Archaeologists have found chew sticks in Mesopotamian settlements dating to 3000 BC and in an Egyptian tomb from 3000 BC. So, how did a chew stick work? You would take a thin twig from a tree. You would chew on one end until it became frayed. The frayed end would turn into something like bristles. Then you would rub it against your teeth to scrub away food and plaque. Some cultures used aromatic trees, which also freshened their breath. The Chinese used willow twigs. The Indo-Europeans used twigs from fig trees. The Islamic world used a wooden stick called a siwak. Chew sticks are still used by millions of people around the world today, but different cultures had different ideas about dental hygiene, and some of their ideas were absolutely disgusting. Let's start with ancient Egypt. The Egyptians took dental hygiene seriously. They cleaned their teeth by rubbing on a special mixture. What was in it? Ash of ox hooves, powdered and burnt eggshells, and myrrh. They would rub this gritty paste onto their teeth. It was abrasive, it scraped away plaque. But it wasn't exactly pleasant. The Greeks and Romans took things to the next level. They made tooth powder from crushed animal bones, oyster shells, and eggshells. But the Romans had a secret ingredient that would make you gag. Are you ready for this? The ancient Romans used urine as mouthwash. Yes, human urine. And animal urine. Why would they do this? Because urine contains ammonia. Ammonia is a natural cleaning agent. It whitens teeth. The Romans placed great value on pearly white teeth, so they used urine to achieve that perfect smile. But here is the really disgusting part. Roman aristocrats believed that urine from Portugal was the highest quality. They imported Portuguese urine. Yes, they imported pee from another country. The common insult in ancient Rome was that someone with shiny teeth was full of piss. They also added powdered mouse brains to their toothpaste, and they believed this improved whitening. Thankfully, they also added flavoring. Charcoal and bark helped with bad breath. But let's be honest, urine mouthwash is still urine mouthwash. Now let's travel to ancient China. The Chinese were pioneers of dental hygiene. By 1600 BC, they were using aromatic twigs as chewing sticks, but they didn't stop there. In the Tang dynasty, it was common to soak a willow twig in water overnight and chew on it the next morning. The fibers of the willow would clean their teeth. But then came the big breakthrough. Between 1223 and 1498, the Chinese invented the first bristle toothbrush. This was the toothbrush that resembled the one you use today. The bristles were made from the stiff, coarse hairs from the back of a hog's neck. Yes, pig hair. The bristles were attached to handles made of bone or bamboo. This design was revolutionary. It was the first toothbrush that could effectively scrub teeth clean. The Chinese had finally created a tool that worked. The bristle toothbrush eventually made its way to Europe. Europeans modified the Chinese design. But for centuries, toothbrushes were a luxury item. Only the wealthy could afford them. The mass production of toothbrushes didn't happen until the 19th century. In 1938, DuPont invented nylon bristles. Finally, no more pig hair. The modern toothbrush was born. But the reason we brush hasn't changed. We brush to remove food and plaque. We brush to prevent cavities. We brush to fight bad breath. The tools have evolved, but the problem hasn't. Our modern diets are even worse for our teeth. Sugar is everywhere. Processed foods are everywhere. So we brush even more than our ancestors did. So why did ancient humans start brushing their teeth? Because agriculture gave them cavities, because they wanted to eat without pain, because they wanted fresh breath. They used chew sticks, ash, eggshells, and even urine. They used pig hair and bone handles. They tried everything to keep their teeth clean. And over thousands of years, they figured it out. Today, we have nylon bristles, fluoride toothpaste, and electric toothbrushes. We have come a long way from chew sticks. But the next time you brush your teeth, remember the ancient humans who started it all, and be grateful you don't have to use urine. That is the secret history of why humans started brushing their teeth. Thank you for watching. If this video made you grateful for your toothbrush, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more mind-blowing history and science content. And comment below, would you have used urine as mouthwash to have white teeth? See you in the next one.